Scrambled eggs with shrimp. A main dish from Hong Kong. Serves 4. You will need 15 ingredients. Step 1. To make the shrimp, dry shrimp on paper towel and put in a bowl. Step 2. Blend in salt, pepper, sugar, cornstarch, and sesame oil and set aside. Step 3. Use an iron wok, heat wok until it's smoking hot. Step 4. To prevent sticking, coat the bottom of the wok with cold oil and pour the oil back into the container. Add the oil for pre-frying. Step 5. Heat oil until hot, put in the shrimp and pre-fry for 10 seconds until the shrimp turn white and opaque. Pour oil, shrimp and all back to the oil container over a strainer. Step 6. To make the scrambled egg, break the eggs into a bowl, beat until just blended, add salt and pepper to taste. Step 7. Blend in 1 tablespoon of oil in the pre-fried shrimp. Step 8. Heat 1 tablespoon of oil in a hot wok. Step 9. Pour in the egg mixture and lower the heat. Step 10. Use spatula to move the egg mixture at the bottom of the wok to the top again and again until the egg mixture is just cooked through. Make sure that the egg is not overcooked and still soft. Step 11. Serve very hot with rice. Country Reports, Culture, Countries, Travel.